Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Kareem 2025 is today Ramadan start. So today I'm going to make some sahur dish or iftar dish for Ramadan. Today I'm going to make something for sahur. So I'm going to make chicken curry for Ramadan special sahur. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for this recipe. Share to friends and family. Don't forget to give your lovely comments and don't forget to subscribe Bulgari Kitchen. And thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. So I'm going to show you what are the key ingredients need for this chicken curry recipe. I have already prepared some ingredients in Bulgari Kitchen. I'm going to show you what are the key ingredients. So here I have already cut 1 kilo chicken. I'm going to use ghee, some carrots, some slice of tomatoes, slice onion, some potato cut and I soak in water, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, some slice of ginger for garnish, some coriander leaves, or curry powder, coriander powder, chili powder, sea salt, and turmeric powder, and some water. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this recipe. I have already pan which is very hot. I'm going to add ghee, add 1 cup of ghee, let him to hot. So viewers, our ghee is hot already. I'm going to add onion, saute the onion until it's getting brown, ginger, garlic. So viewers, our onions are getting brown. Time to add I'm going to add chicken. Mix the chicken together and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring chicken. You can see the chicken change color. So it's time to add the spices, turmeric powder, sea salt, chili powder, coriander powder, and chicken masala powder. Then stir all together so the masala will mix to the chicken and keep cooking for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring our chicken. So we already add the masala. So I need to stir nicely. Wow, nice aroma coming on. Tomatoes. Add the tomatoes and mix nicely and keep and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Keep the cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. It's time to add the potatoes. So I'm going to add the potatoes. Look at this. Going to add some water. So the potato will be dipped. Adding our carrots as well. Adding some more water. You can use water according to your curry, how much you need. So I'm going to cover this one now and cook for another 10 minutes. Look, our curry is almost in the last procedure. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Let's taste the seasoning. Need to add some salt. So I'm going to add little more salt and cook for another 5 minutes. So viewers, our chicken curry is almost ready. I'm going to switch off the flame and I'm going to dish out and I'm going to serve this one with white steamed rice. You can serve this one with naan paratha as well. So viewers, our curry is ready. I'm going to serve this one with white rice. Let's put pour on the plate. This is curry. Let carrots garnish this one with ginger, coriander, and curry with jasmine rice is ready. So viewers, our chicken curry is ready for Ramadan special. I'm going to eat with this one with the rice. Let's bring some rice together like this way. Wow. Mix together all with the curry and then I'm going to taste. Mmm. It's really perfect curry for sahur and you will like it and enjoy this one in Ramadan. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen always and don't forget to give your beautiful comment in comment section and keep watching Balghari Kitchen for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.